The best simulations have a high degree of both physiological and psychological fidelity, meaning the training task closely matches the work task, and the two environments, the training environment and the work environment, are similar. A good example is a flight simulator for pilots. Trainees must make decisions about how to respond and how to demonstrate the KSAOs and behaviors that they've just learned. Their decisions in the simulation will produce outcomes that are very similar to those they could expect in the work environment. Using the branching story, trainees make a series of decisions, and each one affects the subsequent decision. Interactive spreadsheets allow trainees to interact with the data and experiment with different decisions, including how those decisions create different outcomes. Game-based simulations are like playing a video game with competition and points and different levels. After participating in the simulation, trainees receive feedback from the trainer and from the technology, and they should debrief and conduct an after-action review with the trainer and other learners. Simulations and simulators provide some of the most realistic practice possible in a training situation. They are highly customizable, designed specifically for the organization that creates or purchases it. This training method is commonly used for training employees in public transportation and safety, like pilots, conductors, bus drivers, and equipment operators. Trainees can learn from their mistakes in a safe environment, which can prepare them for a variety of risky, dangerous, or emergency situations. The major drawback of simulations is that they can be expensive to develop, sometimes tens of millions of dollars, depending on the job. The technology costs money, but so does the customization that is typical of this method. Plus, it isn't always easy to incorporate identical elements, especially when the budget is small.